Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to working with image in MatplotLib. Okay, so the image module in MatplotLib package provide functionalities records for loading, rescaling and displaying the image. So loading image data is supported by Pillow library. You know or not, but natively MatplotLib only supports PNG image. Okay, so let's working with image in matplotlib code. Let's start. So at first you need to import the matplotlib library, and for image, when you working with image in matplotlib, you need to import another libraries called import matplotlib dot image as mping. Okay, so I will execute this shell, and after that img equal. So what I import the matplotlib.image library as mping. Okay, so mping dot. Now you need to write a function imread. Okay, which execute the when you execute the shell, the imread function actually read the image and it show in your Jupyter notebook. Okay, so imread. So I want to show my this image. So properties, I just set the location. Now you paste the location and execute this command. No file directory. Let's see, double inverted comma cannot decode to 3 times that scale. Okay, here is my image name logo.png. Just you give the exact location where is your image in your laptop or desktop or machines. So I execute this shell. After that I need to show this image, so that's why image to equal plt dot imshow. Okay, that function will show your image. So why I define this image img. Okay, img. So I execute this command, and here is the image log.png actual contains. So that's the how you can use or you can configure image in your using matplotlib, and you also doing a lot of things in this library, say like rescaling and displaying image on the separate sections. You can also sense your image rotation or image resolutions also. So thank you everyone, see you next tutorial.